Welcome! In this session, we will focus on selecting a procedure window using the NCSS Procedure Navigator. You can get to the Procedure Navigator from any of the primary windows, either by going to the Window menu at the top and selecting Procedure Navigator, or by clicking on the Procedures button of the top right area of the window. In the Procedure Navigator, there are 4 ways to get to the procedure of interest: the menus, the button bar, selecting a category, or using a procedure search. There are 3 menu tabs that can be used to access procedures. These tabs are Analysis, Graphics, and Tools. To go to a procedure from the menu, simply click one of these 3 tabs, select the category, and choose the procedure. On the button bar, there are 3 buttons for selecting procedures: Favorites, Recent, and Loaded. To select a procedure using the Favorites drop-down button, the procedure must already be in the Favorites list. Click the Favorites button to see the Favorites list and select the desired procedure. Similarly, recently run procedures are accessed by clicking the Recent button, and currently loaded procedures are shown by clicking the Loaded button. The Loaded button is grayed out if there aren't any procedures currently loaded. The Category panel offers another way to select a procedure. A group of similar procedures can be viewed in the large procedure viewing area on the right by clicking one of the categories or subcategories of the category tree on the left. For example, to see all of the graphics procedures available, click the Graphics category. To see all of the histogram procedures, click the Histogram subcategory. The desired procedure can be opened by clicking the Procedure button. The Favorites list, the recently run procedures, or a list of all procedures can be shown by clicking those buttons at the top of the category panel. The 4th method for finding a procedure from the Procedure Navigator is using the search bar. This method may be useful if you don't know the name or category of the procedure you're interested in finding. Just click in the bar and begin typing a keyword. As you type, the search bar will populate a list of search words that correspond to procedures available in NCSS. When you see the term you are interested in, you can select it from the list or just finish typing the word. Then press Enter on the keyboard or click the search button to the right of the search bar. The procedure viewing area will fill with procedures corresponding to that search term. You can then click one of the procedure buttons to open that procedure. The size of the buttons in the procedure viewing area can be toggled by clicking one of the 3 buttons in the upper right. The first button gives a list view. Clicking the second button produces medium-sized procedure buttons, and the third button gives large procedure buttons. The number in parentheses at the top of the procedure viewing area gives the number of procedures that are currently shown in the area. That concludes our tour of selecting a procedure using the Procedure Navigator window.